Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create a nested directory easily in the Python programming language. So without further wasting time, let's get started. Basically, if we are working with Python greater than any version, that is 3.5, we can make use something called as the pathlib library, and from this pathlib library we have an extensive control to handling and working with paths. So for example, to create a nested path, first thing what we need to do is we need to import the pathlib library. So what I'll say is from pathlib import another function called as path, and the P is capital for path. Now what we need to do is call the function, that is path, and inside this we need to put a set of directory. Let's say /my/directory. So this is going to be the path that is going to get created, and after this what we need to say is dot call another method called mkdir, that is make the directory and its parents to be true, which means it's going to be a nested form, and exist underscore OK is equal to true. And it's as simple as that. Run the file and that's it. We will be having a directory ready with us. So that's it from this quick video where we've seen how to create nested paths. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.